Hello, my dear friends. Friends, the world at the moment is in a great turmoil. Now, on the surface, the reason could be, as you all know, the spread of this virus, deadly virus. But underneath, there is a different current, and that current is current of transformation by nature. See what happens. Our thoughts are not limited to our individual level only. Our thoughts, the trend of those thoughts, collectively for all the humans living on this earth, forms a sort of invisible cloud of collective thought. And in what direction that cloud goes, negative or positive. And if you look honestly, you analyze, for the past couple of centuries, the trend of this collective thought is on the negative side. Things do not deteriorate in a day or 2 days, in a year, not even in a decade. It takes long time, many decades, centuries, when the things become out of control then. So things were deteriorating, and they reached such a point that on the surface you may find some reason, right? Like the reason of present day situation, that virus. But underneath, nature wants a transformation. See, nature or divine system or God, whatever you call, always want our betterment. They do not want that humans should suffer. Humans suffer only because of their own wrong thinking, their own traits. Nature tries to help all the time, right? The avatars, the divine incarnations like Rama, Krishna, Christ, Buddha, Muhammad, they all are sent by God here to guide humans when the time is in a turmoil, when people are in a turmoil, right? We are expecting a divine incarnation, but let us not wait for that, because this is high time. Now the present situation is very uncertain. There is so much uncertainty, right? Nobody knows what is going to happen, and the effects of all whatever is happening, lockdowns and all those things, it's a long-term effect, badly ruining the economy, not only of one country but globally, right? So what we need to do, why I am making this video today, that underneath the visible causes which everybody can see, underneath secretly there is a wave of transformation set into motion by nature, right? Earlier I made a video also on the age of Aquarius, right? And that I made that video about 4 or 5 years ago, because I know that there is a wave of transformation towards betterment, right? The present race of humans has become too negative, too materialistic, too selfish. So the God or divine system or nature, whatever you call, are trying to work out a new form of race of humans. They are seeding, developing, transforming the present race into a new race which will be more spiritual, right? Now so you must pay attention to this underneath current of transformation. This transformation is for good, but the time when this transformation is taking place is never smooth like at present. It's a sort of a roller coaster ride. There are ups and downs. Many people are suffering, but do not become too sad. Do not become do not go into depression because of the present day conditions, right? What you need to do is, you need to spend some time alone in your house. Make a place where you can sit in silence for 15 minutes, half an hour. Take a couple of deep, smooth breaths, because breathing done in the right way calms down your mind. So unless your mind is at rest, unless your mind is calm, tranquil, you won't be able to introspect properly. Introspect about your life, about your lifestyle. Are you becoming too negative? Are you mainly focused on material gains and selfishness? Now you have to help others, because you may realize or not, we are all connected. All life is connected. We as individuals are like waves in a great ocean. So we are in a great ocean of consciousness. Everybody is connected, and it is very important that we come out of our very narrow, limited spheres in which we are living at present. Help others. Try to make your life easy, comfortable, right? This is the high time. If you don't do it now, it will be too late. Teach your children as well, right? To be tranquil, calm, not agitated, not in a sort of hurry all the time. Right? Many people are most active all the time. They do not relax. They are busy at home, at work, have a hectic day, and then when they come home, they think they are relaxing by watching television and reading newspapers, but not. That is not relaxation. I have made videos on that. You need, this is the crucial time of transformation. You have to change your lifestyle, make it easier, relax more, bring contentment in your life. See, if you do not have 100,000 rupees in your bank account, which is 1 lakh, 100,000 rupees, then your aim may be to have that much. But when you have that much, your aim moves higher. It is always there. Nothing wrong with that. We all need to improve our life conditions, our status. But in that pursuit, do not forget that all life is connected, and you must help others as well, who are not as privileged as you are. That is a must, right? That gives you true spiritual evolution. We are down here to learn, to evolve, and nature wants to help us, right? And whatever is happening, whatever negative is happening only due to the collective thoughts of humans, which went to the negative side, too much on the negative side. So we need to now develop positivity. This is the time, If you don't do it now, it will be never possible. Teach your children as well. Make life easier. Spend more time alone, in solitude, so that you can introspect. Change your lifestyle to an easier lifestyle, to a contented lifestyle, right? Desire, there is no end to desires, but contentment is a must, right? So this is the time. Don't bother on the surface whatever is happening. Take precautions, general precautions of hygiene and all that. Take care of your diet and your hygiene and other conditions, right? That's okay, but don't become too negative. Don't go into depression because of that, because it is a period of transition, transformation for good, right? Earlier I made a video on the age of Aquarius. So the world is moving towards that. Nature is helping, right? And it will take another 300 to 400 years when this transformation is complete. But it is gradual. It has started already, right? And what you need to do is change your lifestyle to an easier lifestyle, to contentment. Of course, you need to work on improving your life conditions, on progressing, right? Improving your status in life, of course, right? Nobody wants to stop you from that. But in that pursuit, don't forget that you are a spiritual being in essence, down here in human form to have some human experiences in order to evolve. So help others. Come out of your narrow boundaries, right? And change your lifestyle. Bring more ease, relaxation in your life so that you can develop spiritually, right? You can enjoy life with lesser money also. Don't have to hold so much wealth for your happiness. Happiness doesn't come with abundance of money, but it comes with contentment, my dear friends. I hope you understand, you get the things in the right perspective, what I mean to say, right? Progress, work on your worldly pursuits, but try to be more human, try to develop positive traits and develop spiritually. Follow some yogic techniques, breathing, meditation. This is high time. This is what nature wants from us, God wants from us. And then things are going to change. If more and more people do this, as I am suggesting, then that cloud of collective mentality which has become too negative, it will change gradually. It takes time. So start from now. I hope you enjoy this video, you understand what I want to convey, and it is an important message. Give this message to others also. Teach your children about it, right? That on the surface, whatever the reason is, virus or anything else, but underneath, nature has set into motion a period of transformation for good, for helping humanity, for creating a new race of humans with more spiritual inclination, right? I hope you understand and take this video in the right perspective, and start from today. Spend more time alone and make your life easier for yourself and help others. Thank you for watching.